How to remove a PayPal temporary limit. So the first thing, we'll come to our PayPal dashboard. Then we'll see a notification. We'll see, would like to see some information to ensure that you are able to fulfill orders from your customers. So we'll come to see the details. The PayPal is under a temporary limit. We can see account impact. PayPal, pay via using PayPal, you cannot pay it. You cannot send all money or payment, withdraw money all from PayPal, but we can receive money and we can refund money to clients. So what is the impact on the PayPal on this temporary limit? We can see you can receive the payment, but this is what they say in their Gmail. We need some information from you. We would like some information from you to ensure that you are able to fully to fulfill orders from your customers. Until you receive your information, some features in your account will be limited. You will be able to regain access to these features once you've provided the information we've requested. If you are able to request the information by 9th June 2023 and if we notice any additional changes in your account activity, your access will be further limited. This is a reference. We'll start our review after you've completed all the below tasks. So these are the task upload document. It has been uploaded. Then you provide business information. We see submit your business information. We'll come and submit country or region. We type Kenya. You can see it has been selected. Then tells us business category. We look which is the most favorite, which is the most thing that which is the most niche that comes near to what we do. We'll come and see retail else classified. So we'll see that we do education. Subcategory of education, it tells us vocation elementally, no, so that one cannot not fit. So we select business category. We'll see service others. Then subcategory we'll come and select and say that what we do is we'll say service not elsewhere classified. It tells us describe your business. So we'll come here and I'd already described my business. We'll come see and select all of this and copy it. Then we'll come here. How we can see we still have some words that are remaining. You see, I'm a freelance writer who is an entrepreneur. For this writing, I do admission of my clients. So we can find another suiting description that we will be able to tell. So I'll be able to pick this one. I'll be able to pick that I offer YouTube automation where when young upcoming professors this. So that is what we'll be able to put in the business description. We'll be able to at that point to submit. This is the way. This is lifestyle tutorials. I'm taking you one-on-one on how to solve a temporary dispute. So once you confirm everything is okay, we'll select submit, and I'm sure it is done. You can see your information has been submitted. So once we come and refresh the browser, we'll find that part number 2 has been submitted. Then we'll go to proof of fulfillment. We can say proof of fulfillment. We'll see that you need to provide a full proof of fulfillment on the following transaction. So we can see how this is a transaction payment made from Yasin Tylers. How do you want what do you want to provide for this transaction? Shipping information? Surely we have no shipping information, since with servers we provide a service. Any other proof of fulfillment? Provide full of service or digital goods that were delivered. This transaction does not involve sale. So any other proof of fulfillment, you can add a note or upload a file as proof of fulfillment. The proof can be contract, professional license, delivery confirmation, or any documents showing buyer's confirmation. So we'll come here. We'll first upload a file by this name. I had already marked it. Once we upload it, we'll see describe how you fulfilled the order. We'll come in our Grammarly, and that one we had already described earlier. The way we had describe how you fulfilled. I fulfilled to Yan to a service to client Yan, a service to client a service to client Yan. It is as it is evidence they paid the remaining. So it tells me I've already uploaded an attachment. Tells me describe how you fulfilled the order. I'll be able to copy paste. I can see it has gone more than the 200 words. Let me take some time to shorten it. So at last we have come up with a valid lesson for proof of fulfillment. Once we can come, this is what we submitted. Describe your fulfilled order. It is evident that Yasin paid $USD on Pioneer. The agreed quote was $100 for generating YouTube SEO script. $20 was paid via PayPal. Rest was paid via Pioneer, as shown in the attached screenshots. So it was that one. We were able to answer. It was simple. So we went to the third and the fourth step. The third and the fourth step were provide pool of purchase from the supplier. So provide proof of purchase from the supplier. We would like to know about your recent transactions for better to better your business and improve your PayPal experience. If sold anything in this transaction, please provide proof of item from suppliers. Any proof of support for this transaction. Go through each provided information. So we'll come here. We can see that if you made any sales in this transaction, you can provide a pool of associated items purchased from the supplier. For example, a receipt, a bill, invoice. But if they did not work with the supplier, then provide any proof that you owned the item sold and delivered the service. For example, a purchase order, a sales or the third party contract. So we'll say here, I will provide pool of evidence from my supplier. I'll provide pool of items sold and delivered. I will share more information about the transaction. Since it was a service delivered, that is, I will share more details about the transaction. Tell us what the purpose for this transaction. So I will come. I will say I was already prepared with the information. So we'll say more details about the transactions. So I will be able to pick that and give them. So in case you need any assistance with your temporary limit PayPal, reach out in the DM. I have my phone number, or in YouTube comment section. I'll be able to respond to your query for free and very simultaneous. If you want me to assist you withdraw your temporary limited, you'll have to pay a token of appreciation to appreciate the long hours of research and hard work that we go through, so that before we bring you the this content. So upload supporting document. I'll come here, we'll upload supporting document. Supporting document was like this one, and that so that one. Once we upload it, I'm sure in step number 4 I will share more details about the company. I've taken ample time to describe everything, and I am sure all will go well. Then after that we'll be able to submit. Once we submit, you see your account limitation information has been updated. So as we can see here, we can see now we are remaining submitted. We are remaining one final thing, and the risk is that if you are unable to submit information by 9th June 2023, we notice if addition changes in your account activity, your access will be further limited. So we'll come here, provide information on your transaction. It tells us provide information on transaction. We would like to know more about recent transaction. This is because how to use PayPal account for any buying and selling, and help us improve more PayPal experience. So we'll come here, go through each transactions and provide. We will select that I will describe the item in this transaction. Once we see this, how do the seller, so let us see the best option to select. I will describe the item in this transaction. I will share more information about this transaction. I'll describe the item or service in this transaction. So I will come here, then I'll say that choose the item or service category. It was a service. It tells us describe the item or service that you're offering. I'll come here. I'd already prepared enough reason for that. I'll just be able to copy and send it. You have to be very careful when you are sending, so that you may send things that are relevant. Where do you sell your items or services? So it is asking me where do I sell my services. So I'll say I'll come here. I'll come here and be able to pick where I sell, and it will be good. I'll come here and copy paste. You can see we have a space of 1000 characters. I'm sure we've not even filled them. So it tells us upload supporting document if either you have any supporting document. So I'll come here, browse, and see that I've uploaded this document, and I will first look at it to confirm that is the right one. We've just submitted the information, and it tells us go to account limitation, and let us see. I'm sure that I was very strategic. If you need any consultation or I assist you remove a temporary limit in your PayPal account, reach me out in the DM. I have my WhatsApp number, and I will charge you a consultation of 500 shillings in case you are Kenyan, and depending if you are from outside, I will be able to say how much I'll be able to charge you, so that I'll be able to assist. So we can see at least now, once we get to the limit where it can no longer open, since we have submitted all the document. We are wishing all the best. When you do this, all the glory. So ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is lifestyle tutorials. For more content and for ultimate guide, ensure you subscribe. Thank you.